Good morning from Typhoon Lagoon. We haven't made them happy. Just arrived, we put our stuff in the lockers and we're just going to chill for the day. We're going to do some lazy river, we're going to do some water slides, we're going to chill, we're going to rest the legs after the walking yesterday. So we'll take you with us on our adventure in Typhoon Lagoon today. Maybe show you some slides, show you some lazy river action. But we're just going to chill. So today's vlog might be quite short. Maybe even combine it into two tomorrow, depending on how much footage we get. I'm not really sure how it'll go today, but looking forward to today. Should be a good laugh. And my favourite thing about this park is the lazy river, so we're going there now. So a nice chill day today. We're on the lazy river. We're just resting the leg, man, and it feels good just to have them in the water. We've got nice rubber ring seat things that we're just chilling on. The sun is beating down. It's still morning time. The park's not too busy at the moment. Doesn't look as if it's going to get a lot busier either. It just feels really cool. This is the life, I'm telling you right now. I know people come to Disney World to do the theme parks and do all the rides and stuff like that, but it's nothing like just taking a chilled day out in Typhoon Lagoon just to rest up your legs. It's been constant walking for the last 4 days. Yesterday in particular, doing a heavy amount of steps, so today is just a welcome day to just chill in the pool. It was meant to be Epic, but we just swapped Epic around with tomorrow, so we'll go to Epic tomorrow. Today's weather's good. And I had a funny feeling that with a kind of break in the weather, a lot of people might take the gamble and go to Epic today. So I think we'll go tomorrow when it's supposed to be slightly more overcast. Could be a danger of obviously getting caught in thunderstorms, but we'll take the risk. It's better to do a day like this in Typhoon Lagoon and just relax when the sun's out than if we'd done Typhoon Lagoon tomorrow and it was wet, we would be cursing ourselves. So chill day in Typhoon Lagoon. Ring it on. at the Typhoon Lagoon wave pool. I've come right up to the end here to see if I can get some good footage of the big wave. Here we go. This time I'm going to try and swim with it. Get a bit closer to Max and Kaylee, so we'll see how that goes. It's actually like, if you come to this park and you're a bit worried about this wave, it's actually better to be closer because it doesn't smash you quite as hard as when it kind of it breaks. So, I mean, obviously you have to be a decent swimmer, but still. So we're currently on the Max Express on the lazy river. We're chilling in the dinghy and Max is...
It's a plane!
An aeroplane. And we're getting pulled along. We were in the wave pool there. It's wild.
I'm nearly drowned.
Nearly drowned. A bit.
Mum doesn't really like swim, it's not her tea.
Nearly drown's a bit of a stretch. Fancies are going up this flims.
Mummy, here we go.
And we'll maybe grab some snacks for lunch. That's us back in the room. So we have spent the day at Typhoon Lagoon, which was awesome, really good, and we got out just in time because it started absolutely peeing it down. So we just get in the Uber and then about 5 minutes down the road it was coming down from the heavens pretty bad. Still a wee bit cloudy at the moment, but it's okay. Cooled it down a wee bit, but it was really good. A nice day just to get relaxed, take the weight off the feet and just chill. What did you think of Typhoon Lagoon, Max? He's watching his tablet on his bed here. What did you think of Typhoon Lagoon?
What?
Typhoon Lagoon?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Do you love it? What was your favourite ride? The big raft? The 3-person family raft, the one that goes up in the kind of elevator thing, on the ramp. We must have gone that about 4 times or something like that. And I enjoyed the wave pool as well, which was good. But it was just a really good day. So I think we're going to go over to Cicis Pizza and have some buffet pizza. And that'll be that. It's not much of a day today. Like I say, it was more just a kind of relaxing day. Try and kind of rest the feet before we start our Universal Studios march and do those parks. I don't think I'll take the camera with me because I don't really see much point in just showing you inside Cicis. You've probably seen it, so see you soon.